Welcome in the Big Kaiser Academy. I'm Alan, one of the product managers. Very often we get asked what is the difference between standard steep tapers and our BBT plus steep taper. And I'm going to try to show the difference, or the main difference. This is a standard steep taper. Here you see that the flange, it's not ground, so the taper itself only has contact with the machine via the taper itself. Later we'll see a bit more about that. This is our design, our system, our invention. The taper itself, but also the flange here, it's completely ground, making a much better contact between the spindle interface, or the spindle itself, and the holder. Here I've got a couple of demos. This is a demo of the spindle with the cutout. Of course, this is fake, this is not a real spindle. And here we see a real big plus. So this is ground and this is ground. And here you see it fits perfectly, making the total area this plus this, making it far more precise and far more stable. A normal steep taper has only here steep taper contact, no flange contact. And you see here we have a gap, so there's much less contact, less precision, less stability. And the third possibility, but this is a wrong combination, only flange contact, and you see this doesn't fit at all. So this is just a wrongly produced system. What is further on very important is there are many companies that they say they build Big Plus, but only the ones licensed Big Plus are real. I hope that you could learn something here, and that we see each other in a chat soon. Thank you. Bye from Switzerland.